2017 Lincoln MKZ. With less than 28,000 miles on the odometer, it's equipped with a full package of convenience and efficiency, such as parking aid sensor, power driver seat, power passenger seat, brake assist, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, auto-dimming rear view mirror, leather-wrapped steering wheel, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, traction control, universal garage door opener, power side view mirrors, variable speed intermittent wipers, alarm system, air conditioning, ABS, power locks, heated front seats, front side airbag. This is a top-rated dealer. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.